As a state-of-the-art AI platform, askporter is able to provide a quick and instant triage for tenants when they are reporting a problem. This means that tenants can be kept happy with an instant solution or instant recommendations as to how they can either solve the problem themselves or at least isolate the problem until further works can be attended. However, these calls are of an emergency basis. These are calls where tenants are potentially put in precarious positions where either the property is at risk of being damaged or more seriously, the tenant's health and safety is being put at risk. And it's on those occasions where PropCall plays the part. We're here to make sure that the tenant can see a human element to this process. They can receive empathy, they can receive a bit of compassion, they can receive a little bit of a hug over the phone to let them know everything's going to be okay and that we're here to solve that problem. So by having that human element, we're also able to take advantage of the instant triage system that askporter provides to then provide a clear summary to the tenant to let them know that we understand what the issue is and that we have the solution to solve the problem. With PropCall and askporter working together to create an integrated workflow, clients and tenants can take advantage of not only a state-of-the-art AI platform that provides an instant triaging of the maintenance issue, but it also incorporates a team of property managers with the experience and the knowledge to work with tenants to either resolve that issue over the phone or, most importantly, provide further details about the issue so that the correct contractor can be assigned. These two platforms, PropCall and askporter, aren't just bolted on together. We've worked and curated a workflow that means that tenants and clients can benefit from instant triages, but also have the protection and the confidence that there is a team of actual property managers in the wings to help them where necessary. If an emergency call comes in at 10 o'clock on a Friday night and a property manager or an FM team happen to miss that can impact not only the team, but the business in a number of different ways. The first thing that they'll see is a drop in trust between the tenant and the client. The property managers and the FM teams are there to support those tenants and protect those properties. So if a call goes unanswered or it falls to the wayside, the tenant and the client can feel like that they don't matter and that they're not being prioritized as a client. For the teams themselves, the way that will impact them, it will impact their week. By missing that call and by potentially letting a maintenance issue get worse and progress and cost the business more money, it means that property manager and that FM team have to take more time out of their week to handle that issue, to not only resolve that problem and rectify the issue, but then also maintain that relationship with the tenant and the client. On top of that as well, it obviously has a huge financial impact. If you were to leave a leak that could have been resolved that evening for, let's say, a couple of £100 in terms of getting a contractor out, and you were to leave that could then escalate to thousands of pounds worth of damage, which not only impacts the reputation of the business, but of course impacts the finances of the business, because that call was left, because that call was unanswered. The property management firm or the facilities management business would have to take some responsibility for not attending to that issue.